Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Today's reading is going to be different, guys. It's going to be like a pick a card. So we'll be picking cards from two decks for your love energy. So whichever card you want to watch, you can go for that reading. So this is the first card, Taurus, and this is your second card, and we'll be picking cards for your daily energies as usual. So your daily reading will follow this love reading. So these are the cards for your daily reading. I'll be giving the timestamp for this card in the description. You can skip to that timestamp if you want to watch that card. So for your love energies, Taurus, be tolerant. So with this card, guys, for your love energies, in life, guys, maybe sometimes when we are facing certain stressful situations with this person, maybe some fights or some arguments, some misunderstandings, we should not react immediately, go in for that emotional outburst, shout at them, react in a knee-jerk manner. So when we do that, it will affect that other person also. Just like how it affects us, we will lose that balance in this relationship. This card, the energy is about you need to have that understanding in your situation, guys. Go for that balance in your situation. So you should not react in a destructive manner. You should think deeply what is that other person's point of view, what is their perception. Think about that situation, then you should respond instead of reacting. The same time, you should not give up your own ideals or beliefs, but you can respond in a more better way by speaking what you need to tell them in a much softer tone, without that emotional outburst, without that anger, without expressing anger. So when you listen to that other person, their views, and when you tell what you feel, after that you will be able to build that connection, guys, in your relationship. And that is what this card is about, guys, and that is the reading for your love energy. So if you want that deep meaningful connection with this person, you have to have that tolerance, be impartial in your relationship, guys. Let us see what is this card, the second card, for those who have chosen this card for your love energy. Time to go. So with that card, guys, the energy for your Taurus, maybe in life sometimes, guys, certain things we may feel that they are coming to a stage of conclusion, some kind of ending, completion. So maybe in your relationship, for some of us in this relationship, maybe we may feel that this relationship may not be working. We may not share that deep bond with this person, and this is a time you have come to some kind of ending in this relationship. Maybe in some relationships we may just drift away from each other, or it may end in a breakup. But this card is just about that separation, guys, that emotional release, whatever you had on this person, your attachment. So this is the time for you to give up that attachment and let that person go with love. So in a loving way, when you let that person go, maybe if this relationship is meant to be, they will come back to you. If not, you should understand that this connection was not meant to be. That is the reason they are not back with you, they are not coming back with you. So you can understand that this connection may not work, and you can walk away, guys. So maybe sometimes we feel that we are at the end of a line, so something has come to a conclusion, guys. But you need to understand that destiny is unfolding at the perfect timing, guys. So all that is meant for us, is meant for us will come to us at the correct time. So you need to trust that, and let this connection go, or let this person go. Give up that attachment. That's what this card is about, and that is a love reading for you all, guys, for your daily energies. Taurus, the world in reverse. I hope you can see the cards here. Six of Swords and Ace of Cups. So with these cards, the energy for you all, maybe for some of you, you may be getting some kind of a job transfer. You need to move to a different place, maybe even a different city, guys, maybe. And for some of you all, guys, you may see some new beginnings in your career, maybe something which you are passionate about, really passionate about, or it may be something in your relationship, or it may be what to say, you may feel that this is a very loving and positive connection, but the other person may not feel that way. So that connection may not be there in this relationship. You may have love for them, maybe they are just there with you just for fun, not for that deep love or connection, guys. So that is also what I see here. That may be relating to your personal life, so, or your career situation, maybe a few opportunities. You may feel that that may work out, and you may take that choice, but in truth it may not prove to be a successful one. So you need to be careful on the choices you make today, guys. That is what I see here. And maybe for some of you all, you may feel some kind of tiredness. Maybe some of you all are having some minor illness. You may be resting. You may not be in a position of going to work. You are taking rest. That is what I see here. And that is the reading for you all, Taurus. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Taurus.